Hi everyone. So in this lecture, I have this very interesting question, and this question is from the IIT Madras BS degree, right? So this question is from the IIT Madras BS online degree, right? So we are in this question we are given with the values of x and with respect to probabilities, as you can see from this table, values of x with respect to their probabilities. Clear? And we are asked to find the MOM, that's method of moment estimator of P, and maximum likelihood estimator of P. This question is basically from the course, that's statistical inference. The topic is maximum likelihood estimator and method of moment estimator. So see, how can we approach this type of question? Let's begin. So see, पहले इस चीज को समझते हैं कि what's my expectation of x is p of x. Clear? X is equal to 0 to n or infinity ले लो, ठीक है? xi pxi. So this is my expectation. Clear? Whenever we talk about method of moment estimator, try to make this expectation of x is equal to x bar. Clear? Clear? Try to make this expectation of x is equal to x bar. Clear? And this is the MOM. And similarly, expectation of x square will be x bar square. Clear? So you can find P from this, right? Method of moment estimator. We will see when we approach from this method of moment estimate. And if I talk about MLE, that's maximum likelihood estimator, that is simply we try to make the joint distribution of the sample values, that's L, which is product of f of xi. I is equal to 1 to n. Clear? We try to make the joint density function of sample values. Then we take the log of this L, that's my log likelihood function, that's simply log summation of f of xi. Clear? Then after this step, we take partial derivative with respect to x or with respect to some parameter. So from this you can get the value of theta. Theta will be something. Then we take del log del square log L by del xi square, and del theta square le lo, yeah, del theta square. Then we get the value of theta. This is del theta. Then we get the value of del, and we get the value of theta. That's my MLE. But this is MLE when this is less than 0. When this function will maximize. Whenever second derivative is less than 0, then we get the maximum value. We try to maximize our log likelihood function. This is the maximum likelihood estimator. So how we can approach this type of question? The concept is that we find this expectation of x, and in case of MLE, we try to do these steps. So see, expectation of x is equal to, let's suppose, m1. What's expectation of x from our given values? See, if I say we have 1 2 3 4 5, हमारे पास 5 वैल्यूज है, तो हम क्या लिखेंगे? -1 इंटू -1 पे प्रोबेबिलिटी कितनी है? p/2 प्लस 0 पे प्रोबेबिलिटी, तो ये तो 0 ही हुआ, 0 इंटू समथिंग. फिर 1 पे प्रोबेबिलिटी 1 माइनस p/2 प्लस 1 माइनस p/2, सेम 1 पे प्रोबेबिलिटी, फिर -1 पे प्रोबेबिलिटी p/2. यही तो हमें देखना है. यहाँ पे -2 है, फिर -2 पे प्रोबेबिलिटी p/2. ठीक है, तो यही तो हमें देखना है. देखो हम कैसे करेंगे इस चीज को हम कैसे करेंगे. सी, एक्सपेक्टेशन ऑफ x इज, पहले ले लेंगे हम नेगेटिव, लेट्स -2. व्हाट्स प्रोबेबिलिटी? p/2. क्योंकि मैंने आपको कहा ना, व्हाट्स एक्सपेक्टेशन ऑफ x, दैट इज समेशन xi pxi. यही तो हम करेंगे. प्लस फिर -1 पे प्रोबेबिलिटी, दैट्स p/2, और यहाँ पे -1 साथ में, प्लस फिर 0 पे प्रोबेबिलिटी 0 प्लस 1 पे प्रोबेबिलिटी 1 - p/2, और फिर अगेन 1 पे प्रोबेबिलिटी 1 - p/2 साथ में 1। ठीक है, तो ये क्या होगा, ये होगा -p/2 - p/2 प्लस 1 - p plus 1 - p divided by 2. This and this goes. So this will be equal to -2p/2 plus 2/2. क्या यही होगा? क्या यही होगा? Wait a minute. Let's do it again. Let's do it again. See, -2p/2, तो -2/p -2p/2 ये होगा, प्लस या माइनस -p/2 प्लस 1 - p/2 1 - p/2 1 - p/2 plus 1 - p/2, that is equal to -3p/2 plus 2 1 - p/2, that's -3p plus 2 minus 2p. So this is -5p plus 2/2. Clear? -5p upon 2. Now what's my x bar? What's my x bar? That is sum of observations divided by number of observations. So this will be equal to, what's my sum of observations? See, what's my sum of observations? That is simply 1 plus 1 2, 2 minus 2 0, minus 1. That is -1 upon 1 2 3 4 5, -1 upon 5. That's -1 upon 5. So x bar is equal to -1 upon 5. What I told you, that make x bar is equal to expectation of x. That is simply -1/5 is equal to, what's expectation of x? That is -5 plus 2 divided by 2. -5p plus 2 divided by 2. So this is -2 is equal to -25p plus 10. So this is nothing but 25p is equal to 8. P is equal to 8 upon 25. 8 upon 25. This is my P. That is PMOM. Now see, what's my PMLE? To find the PMLE, we need the L of x1, x2, x3, x4, x5. That's nothing but L of -1, 0, 1, 1, -2. That is nothing but product of f of x, xi, I is equal to 1 to 5. Then, what's my log likelihood function? Before log likelihood function, we need the likelihood function. That is nothing but at -1, what's the PDF? What is the PDF? That is at -1, what's the PDF? That's p/2. And at 0, what's the PDF? 1 minus p upon 2. At 1, what's the PDF? 1 minus p upon 2. Same at 1, 1 minus p upon 2 at minus 2, what's the PDF? What is the PDF? That's P by 2. That's P by 2. So this will be nothing but this is 2, 2 to the 4, 2 to the 8, 2 to the 6 and 32. And in numerator we have P square 1 minus P cube. So this is my likelihood function. Now taking the log of this log likelihood function, that's log L, which is nothing but log P square 1 minus P cube minus log 32. So log m divided by n is equal to log m minus log n. This is log m, this is log n. And log mn is equal to log m plus log n. So now let's break it. This is log p square plus a log 1 minus p cube. So this is 2 log p plus 3 log 1 minus p. As you know, log m raised power n is equal to n log m. So this is my log likelihood function. So differentiate log likelihood function with del p. So this is 2 by p plus 3 by 1 minus p minus 1. Internal differentiation of this is minus 1. So put this equals to 0. So this is 2p, 2 divided by p is equal to 3, 1 minus p. So this is equal to 2 minus 2p is equal to 3p. Cross multiplication of this. So this is 2 is equal to 5p. So p is equal to 2 by 5 is equal to p. So p MLE is equal to 2 by 5. So I got this p MLE is 2 by 5. But I need the double derivative as well to check this MLE is maximum. So del square log L upon log L divided by del p square, which is nothing but double derivative of this, double derivative of this, double derivative of this. So this will be equal to minus 2 by p square as simply del 2 by p plus del 3 by 1 minus p minus 1. क्या यही है? Yes, 1 minus p upon this. To see, this is del. This is constant. What's del upon del p? This is nothing but minus 1 p minus 2. So this is nothing minus 1 upon p square. Differentiation of this is something d by dx into 1 upon x. So we can do one thing, x minus 1, d by dx of x minus 1. So power down x minus 2. So this is minus 1 upon x square. So this is this plus minus 3. What is it? This is u by v rule. Here we apply u by v rule. This is 1 minus p square, and differentiation of 1 minus p is minus 1 minus what is the differentiation of this? This is constant is 0. So this is nothing but minus 2 by p square plus 3 by 1 minus p square. As you can see, this is the negative term. The whole will be the negative that's less than 0. So we get the maximum value of p, that is p is equal to 2 by 5. That's p MLE is equal to 2 by 5. So this was a question from IIT Madras BS degree online program. So this is the simply, you can see, this is my question. This was my question. राइट। ऐसी क्वेश्चंस को करने के लिए आपके पास क्या होना चाहिए? नॉलेज होनी चाहिए, सिलेबस की नॉलेज होनी चाहिए और टॉपिक्स की नॉलेज। जिन्होंने नहीं पढ़ा होगा उनको समझ आ जाएगा, और जिन्होंने नहीं पढ़ा वो पढ़ लेंगे, ठीक है। तो ठीक है,